There we
Hey,
go.
hey everyone, Trent from Innovative. I am just finally doing a final setup on a machine to print on hand tools. It's actually some sort of impact wrench. I'm not going to talk about the customer exactly, but this job is particularly interesting because if you look at it, it has a raised graphic on it with a split line down the middle. So we've got an issue where we have to be incredibly accurate in terms of locational accuracy on the image, because with pad printing you can't just hit a solid pad the way you could with, for instance, with hot stamping and just tip the surface. We actually have to make the artwork slightly smaller than the exact graphic that we're trying to print on top of. So in this instance, what we did is we have a tool that takes these as a single mold. That's critical too. There's only one mold for this job. There's not multiple molds. So we put the part goes in. There's some area here where we can get it in place. And then it clamps. So now that seam is tight. And then we are printing it. So, and there we go. Machine is micro 90, single color. We've got a little bit more sturdy here in case this needs to be so accurate. Our standard floor stands can have some play in it, so we put it on a full tabletop. There's XY adjustment underneath the head, X, Y, and Z. There's actually height adjustment here. We have additional XY and rotational adjustment under the part itself, and then the print head has fine control over the pickup and the transfer in 1mm increments, speed controls in every axis of motion, and timers. There's a 40 millisecond delay on the object to allow the ink to really transfer onto that raised surface. So it lets all the air bubbles out and can transfer onto that raised surface. So that's where we are here with that. Give us a call.